Determining the current trade-in cash value or private party sale value of your vehicle can involve several steps and considerations, but the work is worth it because it's very important to get it done right if you're looking to sell it or trade it in.
Well, after all, it's your money.
That's right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Homework Guy channel. If you ever wondered how to determine a fair cash value for your car, otherwise known as a rapidly depreciating asset, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you the step-by-step process of how to book out your own car. Whether it's for the purposes of selling your car outright in a private party sale or trading it in at a dealership, we've got all the tips and tricks to help you get either goal accomplished. I'm your host, Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, and sitting right across from me is the amazing Elizabeth, who has definitely earned her stripes as the Homework Gal.
Well, buckle up, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And let's shift into gear to learn how to establish an accurate book value for your vehicle. Today, we've got 7 surefire methods for getting the info that you need. When you combine several of these 7 following methods that we'll share, you greatly increase your odds of getting it right.
Number 1, check online valuation tools. There are many helpful websites out there, friends. They include Kelley Blue Book with their instant cash offer. We've used that many times and it's worked wonderfully. Edmunds with their Appraise My Car tab, and NADA Guides, which can provide you with a good estimate of your car's value. These sites consider the make, model, year, mileage, condition, and geographic location to give an estimated value. Combined, they get you very close to information you can count on.
Number 2, just get a professional appraisal. A professional appraiser can give you a more precise value of your car, considering factors that online tools might miss, such as aftermarket modifications that boost your book value or specific market demands.
Number 3, compare similar vehicles on the market. Look at the asking prices for vehicles that are similar to yours on car selling platforms. Be sure to adjust the comparison for factors like mileage, vehicle condition, and location. If you're looking to trade your vehicle in, just realize that what you'll get for it is the cash value, not the retail value that you see in these postings.
Number 4, consider your local market trends. Vehicle values can vary significantly by location due to regional preferences and supply and demand. For instance, 4-wheel drive vehicles are definitely worth more in regions with harsh winters,
like ours,
right, than California, Arizona, and Florida.
Number 5, get a vehicle history report for the prospective buyer. A vehicle history report can impact the value of your car. If your vehicle had been in an accident or had any major repairs, this will likely decrease its value. Have this vehicle history report available for any potential buyer.
Number 6, understand the impact of mileage and condition. Higher mileage generally decreases a vehicle's value. Book values will generally show deductions in a given amount for higher mileage cars. Similarly, the better the condition of your vehicle, the more it's going to be worth.
Number 7, get actual quotes in writing from dealers.
Yep.
If you're planning to trade in your vehicle, get quotes from multiple dealers, which can give you a much better idea of what you can expect for trade-in value. These written offers can be used later to get the value you want if you do decide to trade it in. As we said in the beginning, for a precise valuation, it's best to use a combination of these methods to get a comprehensive view of what your vehicle is worth in the current market.
And a quick reminder, if you think you lack what it takes to book out your vehicle properly, you can get direct help and involvement from me or Kevin by signing up as a channel member. It's easy to join. Just hit the little join button right below the video and select the package that's right for you. For direct help, get the Homework Guy Help Package for $24.99, which offers direct email contact with us. You can email a vehicle that you want booked out, and I'll send it back. You can ask us unlimited questions via email, which is a special email dedicated to members only. The next option is the Homework Guy Consults package at $49.99. This package gives regular text message contact with both me and Kevin, and you'll get direct contact with Kevin's personal cell phone. This is in addition to the email contact in the previous package. Also, any membership can be canceled at any time, so there's no risk and there's limited expense.
By the way, I have already posted my personal cell number in the members only section of our community page, actually several times. Also as an extra incentive for the first 50 members to sign up, and that goes for any membership level out there. You will get a free copy of our Car Buyer's Manual when it comes out. That's likely to be around Christmas, by the way. And just to be aware that being a member is simple, just hit that join button down below the video to sign up today. I also want to remind our regular viewers about all the free content we have on our website, thehomeworkguy.com, so make sure you take time to give us a visit. Besides the website, you can also connect with us on other social media sites like Facebook, so go like our page if you haven't already done that.
If you've just recently joined the Homework Guy channel as a subscriber, we thank you, appreciate you, and welcome you aboard. And if you just became a new member on our channel, that's super cool. Thank you.
Also, thanks again to our many faithful followers who just keep coming back. And to all of our longtime subscribers out there, you guys rock, and you know you do. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off with amazing Elizabeth, the Homework Gal. The Homework Guy team is serving truth, justice, and transparency in the car business, and always will. We've got to go.